What happens if you lose your U.S. passport while you're outside the U.S.? Hi, I'm Regina Cocco. I'm an immigration attorney and a former consular officer. As a consular officer, I used to help American citizens overseas with emergencies like lost or stolen passports. Now, if you lose your passport or it was stolen while you're outside the U.S., you will need to get a new one in order to come back into the U.S. If your passport was stolen and you're able to go to a police station and file a police report, you should do this step and keep a copy of the report for when you make a new application. You don't need to do this step if it's too difficult, but it can be helpful. Next, you'll need to contact the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. You can find a list on the State Department's official website, travel.state.gov, or simply do a Google search to find the closest one to you. You'll have to go in person to apply for a new passport, and if you need to travel soon, you should let the consulate staff know that you will likely need an emergency passport. You can apply for a new full validity passport, just like the one you lost, while you're still overseas. However, that can take several weeks to arrive. And if you're on a short trip, an emergency passport is a better bet. They're only good for 1 year, but within 1 year of obtaining that passport, you can replace it free of charge with a full validity passport. So you can use the emergency 1 year passport to get back into the US from your trip, and then go ahead and apply for a full validity passport once you're back. Now, what you'll need to bring with you to apply for the emergency passport are the same sorts of things you used to apply for the passport in the first place. That's one passport photo identification like a driver's license, proof of U.S. citizenship like a birth certificate or photocopy of your missing passport, travel itinerary like your airline or train tickets, something to show that you have an emergency and you need to get back quickly, and the DS-11, which is just the application for the passport. And in that application is where you'll provide details about what happened to the one that was lost or stolen. And then you'll need to pay the passport fees. If you don't have proof of citizenship, you don't carry a birth certificate with you, or you don't happen to have a copy of the lost or stolen passport, not to worry, the consulate can still help out there. They're able to look up your prior passports in the system. It's a service they don't provide when you're applying for a new full validity passport, but if it's an emergency and you're overseas, it's something that they will do. I hope this helps. And if you have any other topics you'd like me to talk about, please feel free to leave a comment below or visit my website, coccolaw.com, for immigration legal assistance. Thank you.